Hi, I'm Sharalyn Kluke with the Land Beside the Water Group at Keller Williams Realty in Seneca, and I'm here at Ann Marie Sullivan, attorney at law. We're on Ramcat Alley in Seneca, South Carolina. Ann, thank you for being here.
Thank you.
Well, I guess I'm in your office.
Yeah,
Thanks for having us. So tell me about your law firm.
Well, I opened my own law firm in 2014. I worked for two attorneys here in town before I opened my own firm. Worked for Tim Merrill and Johnny Fields, and they were both great mentors. Opened my own practice in 2014, and we opened across the street on Ramcat. And then just 1 year ago, actually yesterday, time hop, we moved over here. We're above the red door. Aspire Yoga Studios across the hall from us. People have a little trouble finding us, but we're upstairs. We have a conference room downstairs. But now we all have our own office with a door that closes, and it's really great. So we're enjoying the space over here.
So you do real estate law?
Yes.
Okay.
When I first worked for Mr. Merrill, that was my first job out of law school in 2009. I decided to start doing real estate. That was the bulk of his practice, and I just stuck with it the whole time. So I'm coming up on 10 years of just doing real estate. I really enjoy the real estate. I get to meet all the people and deal with the title work, which I actually enjoy. The title work is like a little history lesson of each of this area, so I enjoy doing that. But real estate is just really what I've found I enjoy the most, and it's what I stick with, and it's kept me pretty busy. So.
Okay. And now where did you go to school, law school?
I went to Clemson, go Tigers, and then I went to Elon, which is in North Carolina, Greensboro, North Carolina. And finished there in 2009 and moved home and started working. So,
okay.
But we run a pretty small office here. There's three of us full time. Myself, Judy, and Rachel. What I like about our firm is it's kind of a small town firm, and this is a kind of a small town area. Even though we have amazing amenities like the lake, but you know I'm from this area. My roots are here. My grandfather grew up on a farm here, and that farm ended up being a part of Lake Huey.
Oh, neat.
His family actually deeded it to Crescent back in the 60s, like a lot of people did. So that's kind of a piece of history that I appreciate. My grandfather went on to be a realtor in this area, so I really enjoy serving this community because I grew up in it. I love meeting the new people that relocate here because of the lake, because of the mountains, because of everything else, and even the people that are just relocating within the community, I usually know them or usually have some connection. So that's what we do here.
So tell me about your affinity for the downtown area.
Well, honestly, I never really thought I'd be downtown. When I was growing up, going in high school, this isn't really an area you came to much because there wasn't much here. When I was little, we would come here all the time. You had Bergen's. You had Harper 5 and Dime. I had dance lessons down here. You were always downtown. But actually, Johnny Fields, when he was the mayor in the 90s, he started to revamp downtown. And he really did a great job with Ramcat. He pretty much did Ramcat. So when I decided to open my practice, space opened. And I thought, well, it's a neat, charming little area. So I moved down here, and then we just moved across the street, and Ramcat continues to grow. And now it's progressing on towards the other section of downtown, so I'm excited for what's coming.
Great. So how can people reach you?
You can reach me at 864-973-8080, and one thing about that is that it actually rolls into my cell phone, and that's been the case since 2014. I don't plan on changing it. The reason I do that is because a lot of times things come up in the evenings or on the weekends. So I'm always trying to be available to answer those questions. We have a website, an email, or you can just stop by if you're on the alley.
Now, I know you're a really busy office. Are you still taking new clients?
Yes, we're always taking new clients. We would really love the opportunity. Just call the office, speak with Rachel. I always try to call back new clients too, just to kind of figure out what they need, what their questions are. There's usually a lot of questions up front, especially folks relocating, things like that. So we are always taking new contracts, new clients, and even if it's not a real estate matter, I try to help people with other stuff too. But that's our predominant focus right now.
Right. Well, thank you today for being with us, and I think you and your staff do a great job, and that's why you're one of the people I send business to.
Well, we appreciate you too.
Thank you.
Thank you.
If you would like your business, event, or organization spotlighted on parkbench.com/Seneca, you can call us at 864 888-7195.